Have you ever wondered about how life would have been if? Have you ever wondered about what would have happened if you had done something different? Do you think that what was in your imagination never matched your reality? Have you known children that seem to have been in tune with you before you could speak? Is there any way for you to understand the far-reaching consequences of one small choice? This book provides a way to see how choices from centuries ago affect family dynamics in the present and how they influence children for their futures. Leaving Cuba by Stark Raving Married is a story that unfolds one spring day and illustrates how past relationships with lands and political movements act together like a vortex, devouring hopes and dreams. Leaving Cuba by Stark Raving Married by Carla Starling Huntington.